strong report from Expedia. Gross bookings over $15 billion. That was about $5 billion higher than what the street was anticipating, as you really make significant progress in gaining market share in the vacation rental space with your brand Vrbo. What do you credit that success to? Is it the location of your homes, price point, the incentives you're offering homeowners? What is it?
I think it's everything. I mean, I think obviously travelers love the use case. They're really, during COVID, they liked the idea of staying in a whole home. That is our specialty. We cater to families especially, and so any group that really wants to be by themselves. So during COVID, it was a great use case. We obviously pushed into it. We continue to push into it through marketing. We have a great selection of inventory, which we're adding to all the time. Our hosts make more money than they do on any other platform. So we feel like it's just a great fit for right now. And we're really lucky that people are getting to experience it more. And we think the more people that experience it, the more they'll come back to the whole home idea.
Here's the thing. If you try to book a home this summer, Peter, a nice home, chances are it's going to be really hard. There is a supply issue right now, a race to get more homes listed on not just Vrbo, but Airbnb as well. I know one program that you've sort of spearheaded is trying to poach high-quality hosts from Airbnb. That's one of your strategies to increase the number of homes on your platform. How is that program going? How many homeowners have you been able to successfully recruit? Tell us more about that program.
Yeah, so that program was really less about stealing as adding, and we wanted to add great homeowners and great property owners who could monetize our platform well. We launched something called our Fast Start program, which was basically a way for a new host who otherwise wouldn't have reviews, et cetera. If they were a proven owner from another platform, we would take them on, increase their exposure, and make sure they were known as a great property owner and host. And we've seen that be very effective at getting people up and going much more quickly than they would have as a brand new entrant to our platform. So it's been very successful. And I would just say, while there has been some compression and we are seeing crowding out in some markets that are really popular, in general, consumers have been finding things nearby, or even finding classic hotel accommodations as a replacement. And more, as people are vaccinated, the resort solution, the hotel in the beachfront area is as good a solution for most people as a Vrbo. So both solutions work right now. So
demand for hotels now starting to rise as more people get vaccinated. Can you expand on that? When you look at your sort of percent of bookings for Vrbo versus hotels, what does it look like right now?
Yeah, hotels are still clearly lagging vacation rentals. Vacation rentals are very strong across the globe, and in the strongest markets, they are really strong. But what we're seeing is in strong leisure markets, for example, in the U.S., take a Miami or something like that, the conventional lodging hotel space is, I don't know if it's just as robust, but it is very robust. And in many cases, we're seeing booking levels now or into the summer that are above where they were in 2019 for those conventional hotels. So very strong there. Now, obviously, in some big cities around the world and even in North America, that's lagging much further. But with the news on New York and Chicago planning to open more, we're hopeful that will start to balance out again and people will go back to visit cities.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.